So here at Mission Township, as we said before, it's called a MagneGrip magnetic release system. So the brains of the operation are here. If you want to follow me over to the truck and look above, you'll see lots of ductwork, and there's sensors and cords. And you can follow me over here to the engine. And the way that this system works is it's held by suction to this truck, suction and MagneGrip to this truck. So when they start the apparatus, it senses exhaust and it turns on the computer system, which engages the air suction and release system. And it's all automatic. So they start the truck, they open the front door, this air system will follow this pulley system down, and when it hits these exit bolts up here, it will automatically release from the truck, so that by the time that this truck exits, that hose will not hit this, so that there's no exhaust in the building at all. And then once the truck leaves, the hose automatically completely retracts back to its original position, and the system continues to work for 2 minutes. So any residual diesel exhaust, or whether it be a gas truck or any other type of vehicle that's in here, the exhaust is eliminated, which obviously is a safety for anyone. And that's how the system works here at Mission Township.